What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. I don't know what's in this box, but I know who it's from. It's from my good buddy Shaker at ShakerMT1970 on Instagram. Give this man a follow. He is a huge part of this channel. Shaker told me that he had, he had sent me a, you guys saw maybe on Instagram, he sent me a hat with my logo on it. Kind of giving me an idea of, because at some point I would love to have hats and shirts and things with my logo. And he kind of sent me a hat saying, hey, here's an example of what it could look like. And I appreciate that. I love that hat. I wear it all the time, actually. But whatever's in this box, the only hint that I got was it's more practical than the hat. Shaker also sent me my mini Crooked River. And I just want to say, I say it as much as I possibly can, but I feel like I still don't say it enough. Shaker, thank you so much for everything that you do for this channel. You're just a genuine guy, absolutely. So let's go ahead and get into this box. As usual, if you'd like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea, you can find her down in my description, as well as links for a whole bunch of different popular knives, expensive stuff, inexpensive stuff. I've got it all sorted out. My favorite budget knives, Benchmade, Spyderco, ZT, WE, things like that, as well as knife maintenance items. So whatever your itch is, feel free to scratch it by using the links in my description. Okay, ooh, what do we have here? Oh, okay, I can see my logo there a little bit. Let's get into these bubbles here. Actually, you know what? Probably just easier to cut the part that's taped, right? There we go. All right. So, it says the Benchmade Griptilian, or in this case, the Ritter Hogue. Oh man, that's awesome. That's awesome. So, not a knife unboxing video, but I kind of had a feeling that it was going to be something different. That's really cool, man. I appreciate that. I will absolutely put this to good use. Or, I'm sure you guys can tell. I'm a big fan of caffeine, so I will be filling this with coffee. Absolutely. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's video. This is a cool idea. Absolutely. This is definitely giving me ideas. I appreciate you, Shaker, giving me some interesting ideas for future items, definitely. Anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. Shaker, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, man. If you enjoyed this video or at least found it entertaining, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.